Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan, and what I'd like to do today is to introduce you all to my bed and breakfast business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is first and foremost going to go ahead and give you a little bit of background about me, who I am, what I do, and why I do it. And then after that, I'll walk you all through my Word document portion of my bed and breakfast business plan template, as well as introduce you all to the financial model or the Excel file portion of the bed and breakfast business plan template. All right, so without further ado, let's go ahead and zip through this little presentation. As promised, a little bit about me. Again, Paul Borosky, doctoral candidate, MBA, as well as owner of Quality Business Plan and Quality Business Consultant. I am a professional writer, specifically a business plan writer. So if y'all want to avoid all the fun and excitement, trials and tribulations, growth opportunities of writing your own business plan, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me email. My contact information is right here. I would be delighted to write a business plan for you. I am also a published author on Amazon.com. Check out some of my books there. They're focused on business plan writing, as well as understanding financial statements. And then finally, I am an adjunct professor and subject matter expert in both business and finance. So if you do need some help with those pesky financial projections, business plans ready to go, but those numbers are keeping you up at night, I'd be delighted to do your financial projections for you. Again, pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. Be delighted to help. And now we're on to the star of the show, which is the bed and breakfast business plan template. So when or if you do purchase my bed and breakfast business plan template, it does come with a Word document as well as an Excel file, which is the financial model. In the Word document, once you open it up, you're going to be greeted by the title page. Anything that you see in yellow, I do recommend you change. For the title page, you can change the bed and breakfast, and you can change that to your company name, or you can put your logo on there. And then the second page is going to be the table of contents. This page you're just going to update. Once you're done adding all of the information that you need to add to the business plan, it's all customized, ready to go. Come to the table of contents, click on it, click on update the table, click on update the entire table, and then all of the tabs or all of the headers and all the page numbers will be updated for you. The next section is going to be the executive summary section. Anything that you see in yellow, I recommend you read through and make sure it's aligned with your company. Anything that is in parentheses, I suggest you go ahead and put your personal information in there. And for the executive summary, it's going to have the bed and breakfast summary for your business, target market, financial highlights, the numbers for the financial highlights. You can pull that out for your financial model. And then we've got a funding request section in here as well. Next section is your company description section. Again, bed and breakfast summary. And then I've got an area here for your services. You can go ahead and fill that in with the type of bed and breakfast services you're going to be providing. It also includes a competitive advantage segment, primary target market segment, pricing strategy, hours of operation, and then we get into the location, the square footage, and the amenities and such. And then the final section here is business objectives and timeline. And this just lets the reader know what you plan to accomplish in the first 3 months, 6 months, and year. The next section is the industry analysis. This information I do summarize from research that I do with IBIS World. They are the industry leader in industry research. I'll extrapolate some information from their reports, summarize it, paraphrase it, and such, and then I update the business plan template accordingly. Next section, just SWOT analysis, your strengths, your weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Anytime we come to a smart art form like this, you just click on it. You got a little arrow right here. Once you click on that, then you've got bullet points and you can update the text as you see fit. Next section is the organizational structure. You've got two components. You got the ownership and then the organizational chart. We then have our marketing section here, and the marketing section gives you a great start for the traditional marketing, internet marketing, and social media marketing. And then we have the funding request. How much money do you need to get the party started? The term for the loan, if you'll be taking one, interest rates expected. And then we have our financial projections. In the financial model, you can update this information. When you put your information in there, the financial model will automatically update in the Excel file. And then once it updates in the Excel file, you just need to copy and paste the financial statements into the Word document. In the financial model that's covered, you've got your profit and loss statement for year 1, and it's broken down monthly, month 1 through 3, quarter 1. Then we go to month 4 through 6, quarter 2. month 7 through 9, quarter 3, month 10 through 12, quarter 4. And then also in the Excel file, you'll have the financial model, you'll have your pro forma income statement for the next 5 years. And the pro forma income statement will show the revenues, the expenses, and net profits. And the next file that is included in the business plan template for the bed and breakfast is the financial model. In the financial model, you have 4 tabs: your information page, your projections, and all the projections are just summaries of your financial position. And then we've got our profit and loss statement for the next 12 months. And then we've got our income statement for the next 5 years. In order to make any changes to the profit and loss statement or income statement, what you're going to do is you're going to change all the darker color cells right here. So anywhere it's a darker color cell, you can make changes to it. Once you update that information, it will automatically update your projections, your profit and loss for year 1, and your income statement. And some of the segments that you can make changes to is your daily sales, your labor, your startup cost, your monthly fixed cost, miscellaneous information, your growth rate for sales for the next 5 years annually, your growth rate for your fixed cost annually, and then your loan information. I do provide on my website a more detailed discussion on how to use the financial model, but hopefully this information is helpful and it gives you a good idea of what to expect in the bed and breakfast business plan template. If you like what you see, let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up then. In summary, if you are interested in purchasing my business plan template, it does come with a customizable Word document as well as a basic financial model that is customized for the industry. I also provide various tutorials. You can find my tutorials on this link right here. The tutorials just help you with the various aspects of the business plan template, completing them, and those tutorials can be accessed before or after you purchase the business plan template. Keep in mind there are some limitations to all my business plan templates. You do need Microsoft Word and Microsoft Excel in order to make edits. And also, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns before you purchase a business plan template, be delighted to have a great conversation with you. My contact information is right here. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. We can have a great conversation. However, after you purchase my template, then I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, I do charge for the service. The service is there, it's mentoring, but like I said, I do charge for it. And then finally, if you do want to buy my business plan templates or check out the various templates that I have, the link is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with business plan templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your financial projections, I would be delighted to do so. Pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email, or visit my prices page right here. And then finally, please subscribe to my channel. And that's it. Hopefully this was helpful. Go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.